Whether you're a homeowner retiling the bathroom or a contractor filling in concrete joints, the thrust ratio is an important factor to consider when purchasing a caulk gun. It helps determine what caulk gun you should use with certain adhesives or sealants. But first, what exactly is thrust ratio? The thrust ratio is essentially the amount of power a caulk gun has in dispensing material. For example, a 6-to-1 thrust ratio means that for every 1 pound of force generated on the trigger, there are 6 pounds of force pushing to extrude the material. Furthermore, with the same 6-to-1 thrust, 2 pounds on the trigger yields 12 pounds extruding the material, 3 pounds yields 18 pounds, and so on. The higher the thrust ratio, the stronger the drive mechanism and the easier it is to extrude the material. One thing to note, however, is the higher the thrust ratio, the less material you extrude with each trigger pull. Here we have a thrust ratio chart. As you can see, thrust ratios can range from 3-to-1 all the way to 34-to-1. Materials like acrylic and silicone require a lower thrust ratio because they are thinner materials. On the other hand, materials like firestop, polyurethane, and epoxy need a higher thrust ratio because they tend to be thicker. All in all, when deciding to buy a caulk gun for a certain project, the thrust ratio will determine the ease and efficiency with which the task at hand is completed. Please refer to Newborn's website linked below to find the best caulk gun for your next project.